Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have Face ID active, so start by opening settings to verify Face ID is enabled for unlocking. Once done, update iOS if needed to avoid lock bugs. Now go to the Notes app and choose the note you want to protect. You can lock a single note or multiple notes. Tap the Share or More menu inside that note to reveal locking options. This is the first actionable step towards securing its content with Face ID. With the note open, tap the three-dot menu or the share icon and select Lock Note. You'll be prompted to enable Use Face ID, so toggle it on. You must create or confirm a note's password as a fallback, memorize it, or store it securely. Once Face ID is enabled, lock the note and test unlocking by closing the note and reopening it. The device will use Face ID automatically to grant access when it recognizes you. Finish by locking any remaining notes and then closing and reopening notes to verify Face ID prompts work. This confirms the lock is active. Make sure note settings reflect your preferences and change the fallback password if you want stronger protection. If Face ID doesn't unlock a note, use the note's password to open it. Once inside, go to Settings Face ID and re-enable or reset Face ID for notes. This resolves most recognition issues without losing access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.